unbox my boyfriend's post-chemo gift for me. Look, it's so cute. It's the perfect pink. And this is from Razer. Razer Kraken Kitty USB headset with kitty ears. And it's so cute. Only at Target daw. When he went there, this is the last one that they have daw sa Target. So 2 days ago, they had 8 and they only had 1 left. So he got it for me. We have this. Of course, we have the stickers. The iconic. Wala, nabuksan na siya kahit hindi nakasaksak. This is it! And this is wired, by the way. USB wired. And this is it. It's so cute! Ang lambot ng cushion niya dito. And of course, it's adjustable. Like ganyan. It says Hello Kitty on the side. And it has a cushion here also on the top of it. So cute! And this is the mic. Try it on. Ayan siya. It's so cute! I'm excited to play Valorant and lose with this headset. So cute! And by the way, it's a Razer logo on this one. Sa gilid. Tapos sa loob, meron siyang strawberry ata yan. Nasa loob. So cute! Excited to use it and try it. Yan lang. Bye!